Welcome to Ecoholics YouTube channel. So today we would be looking at a previous year question from the IIT JAM exam which was conducted in 2023 and the question number is 30. So if you look at it, it's a very interesting question from the probability. So let's go into the question. From a set comprising of 10 students, so in total there are 10 students where there are 4 girls, 6 boys, a team of 5 students to be formed. So from this 10, there should be a team of 5 students only to be formed. The probability that a randomly selected team comprises 2 girls and 3 boys. So out of this, it's going to be 2 girls and 3 boys. 3 boys. With at least one of them to be B1 or B2. Right? B1 or B2. So out of this, 3 boys, at least one of them should be either the boy 1 or boy 2. And remaining, it can be anyone. So, boy 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, in this case, how to go about solving this? So, if you look at it, it's a very easy question. If this part is not there, till here, it is very easy. So, we are going to look at total students, 10, 4 girls and 6 boys. So ways in which 5 students can be selected from 10 is 10 combination 5. So this would be the denominator. So you are trying to understand the probability. This would be the total possibilities. These many ways you can select. But out of these many ways, there are 2 restrictions for you or 2 conditions that needs to be met. The condition is that out of these 5 students, 2 of them should be girls, 3 of them should be boys, right? That is the first condition, which means ways in which 2 girls that can be selected from 4 is 4C2 and this is 6C3 where 3 boys are selected from the set of 6 boys. So this would be there in the numerator. But this alone is not sufficient. So this satisfies the condition 1. The condition 2 requires you to ensure that at least out of these 3 boys, one of them should be either boy 1 or boy 2. So in that case, you are trying to understand the total possibilities for boys could be 6C3 minus 4C3. 4C3 is where talks about a team where 3 boys are selected out of only the 4 boys, not having B1 and B2. So that if you're going to subtract them, then in the remaining teams, it would definitely be having either B1 or B2. So, now you got the numerator. So numerator with respect to girls is 4C2 and with respect to boys it is 6C3 minus 4C3. Neither B1 nor B2 is being selected. So if we're going to subtract from the total possibilities, then obviously in the remaining teams, you will have B1 or B2 at least, right? The whole divided by 10C5. So this is very easy to solve. So 4 factorial by 4 minus 2 factorial is 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 6 factorial by 6 minus 3 factorial, which is 3 factorial into 3 factorial minus 4 factorial, 4 minus 3 factorial is 1 factorial into 3 factorial. The whole divided by 10 factorial by 10 minus 5 factorial, which is 5 factorial and again 5 factorial. So solving this would be equal to 4 into 3, 2 factorial is gone by 2 the whole multiplied by 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 minus 4 by 1. The whole divided by 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So solving this, first solve this. 2 ones, 2 twos, 3 ones, 3 twos. So 5 into 2, 20 minus 4. So here it's 16. So 4 into 3 by 2 into 16 by 5 ones, 5 twos, 4 1, 4 2, 3 1, 3 2, 2 and 2 cancel. So the remaining is 2 into 9 into 2 into 7. So 2 ones, 2 8. Correct? 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 and 2 cancels. 3 ones, 3 threes. So which is equal to 8 in the numerator and 7 into 3, 21 in the denominator. So 8 by 21 is the probability. So you can go back and check if there is any option of 8 by 21. Yes, you do have, which is option C. Right? So it's a very easy sum. It might seem little complicated. As we started off, we told if this is not there, it is a direct sum. Even if it is there, there is nothing much. You have to understand it logically, right? You have to understand it logically to go about it. So that's it. So I hope you had understood how to go about solving such questions. So if you had, please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.